What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make sautéed mushrooms. So, cheers and let's cook. The first thing you're gonna want to do is clean your mushrooms. You don't want to run those under water or soak them in water. Get the dirt off. You just want to take a wet paper towel and gently just brush them off. After we got them all clean, I'm just gonna go through and cut each one in half. Our mushrooms are cleaned in half, so now it's time to head to the stove. Over at the stove, I'm going to heat up a large saute pan. Let that pan get hot. To my pan, I'm going to go with some olive oil, about a tablespoon and a half. And let that oil heat up. Oil is just starting to smoke. I'm going to go in with 1 clove of crushed garlic. And we're going to saute our mushrooms in batches, so we don't overcrowd our pan. So the mushrooms are in. Go in with some thyme sprigs. Season that with some salt, some pepper. I like to start with all my mushrooms facing down and get some nice color on the flat part. Let those cook until they get nicely brown. It's been about 3 minutes and we got some beautiful color on those guys. Now, I'm going to start shaking them around. And we'll just continue to saute those until they are cooked through and nice and soft. Those are looking really good. I'm going to transfer those to a sheet tray with a wire rack and let them rest while we cook the other half. Second batch is done, so I'm just going to transfer those to that wire rack and then we will be ready to eat. We have a beautiful plate of some tasty little mushrooms here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written right below in the description. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.